Hey, Bill here with 30-Minute Woodshop. Thanks for joining. So, if you guys ever go to tool fairs or those kind of things, or antique stores and stuff, usually you'll see people trying to sell wooden planes. Now, I have some wooden planes here that are my dad's, but I was at an antique store the other day, and usually these things are horribly expensive for what you're getting. Not worth it at all. But I happened to find one. I found this. This is a Tenon plane, all right? So I found this for $8, and I figured, well, what the heck, man? For $8, I would buy it and give it a try. So this was used basically once you cut a shoulder on a tenon. Usually in the old days, very old days, you'd cut that with a saw, and it'd be kind of rough. So you'd come back with a plane and you tune that up. So you can kind of see here a couple things. You got a blade that's on a skew, all right? You got a nice curve in here, which gives you a mouth to eject the chips. And then what you have also is the fact the blade runs from side to side. So this will come right up against the shoulder, right? So you can make a nice even cut. And you can tune those tenons right down to a very tight tolerance, so before you get the furniture put together. Now, this is a 2-inch, which is made for a very large tenon, right? Now, I just pulled this out of the bag. I haven't touched it, haven't done anything to it. This thing probably hasn't been used in 100 years. Maybe not quite so far. It does show a few tap marks on it, and I can't read the manufacturer, but it's pretty cool. So let's see if it even cuts. This is a piece of squirrely grained ash. All right, and I'm not certain how this thing's going to cut. The blade feels pretty sharp. Yeah, let's go look. We'll give it a shot here. So it definitely needs to be sharpened, but it's curling some pretty good chips here, for being 100 years old or more and not having been sharpened. So I'll pull this apart, sharpen the blade, and I'll probably put it in my rack here and use it off and on. All right, pretty occasionally, because I don't actually need it that much, but hey, for $8, I got myself a really nice old 100-year-old Tenon plane. Probably longer than 100 years. That's only 1925. This thing was probably built in late 1800s sometime. So anyway, kind of a cool piece of equipment. If you see one, it's a good price, get it, play with it. You may not use it that much, but it's a great piece to hold. It's great to hold a piece of history in your hands. So on that note, folks, hope you got something out of it. If you did, hit like and subscribe. And until next time, good making.